Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbi, and if you are new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how I install my DIY ponytail cornrows wig that I made myself from scratch. The wig cap, the ventilation, the braiding, everything guys. So I'm going to link those tutorials in the description. Do go and check them out. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to be wearing this nude wig cap underneath my wig, and I'm going to be using glamour spray to lay down my edges, and I'm also going to be using this spray to lay down my wig. So just spray it on your hair and then use a brush to brush the hairs, and then use the other side of the brush to make sure that you press down the hair whilst you are using your blow dryer to make sure that everything is dry and laid right here at the hairline. So I'm going to repeat this process at the front, right here at the hairline, from this side of the ear to the other side of the ear. After laying down my edges, I'm going to be pulling the wig cap right to the front, and then I'm going to be doing the same thing at the back guys. I have my hairline at the back, like on the side at the back, it goes way down, so I have to brush them up to make sure that they are laid and go up because they are way down. So after doing that, I'm going to be applying my foundation on my wig cap at the right round at the front and at the back, the part where the 360 wig is at, like the part that I ventilated. So this is the wig guys. I've added one wig comb inside, and there's also an elastic that is going to be helping to secure the wig right there at the back. So I'm going to be cutting off the excess lace before laying down my wig. So this is the back lace, and this is how it's looking, and I'm also going to be cutting the front lace guys. If you do this guys, it will be easier for you to install your braided wig. So pre-cut your lace and then lay it down guys. You will see the entire process guys. This is so much easier than when you start by laying your wig and then cutting off the excess when the wig is already on your head. So cut it before you put it guys. This is beginner friendly. So after that, I'm going to be applying my foundation inside of the wig, the lace part, the part that have the lace only. So apply the back and the front, and this is how the wig is looking like guys, like scalp. And then at the back guys, I'm going to be applying foundation in between the lines right there so that they can be sharp. At the front, I will apply the foundation after I'm done laying the wig. So just put on your wig like that, and then pull it at the back, and then do the same thing at the front like that, and then at the back also push the wig comb, push it and clip it at the back, and your wig will be secured. So I'm not going to be gluing down the back area. I'm just going to, it will be secure with the elastic band and the wig comb, and the front is looking like this guys. So you can also wear this wig like glueless at the front because it was so secure. You can just do like your baby hairs and stuff. So I didn't want to lay my baby hairs. I wanted them to remain curly like this guys. So I'm going to be spraying my glamour spray, and then I'm going to be blow drying it, and then I'm going to do a second layer, and then when it's tacky, I'm going to be laying my wig. So I'm starting off with the middle section like there. Just press down your wig on top of the 2 layers of the glamour spray. So make sure that it is tacky guys. Don't let it dry. Don't put your wig when it's like too wet. Make sure it is tacky before you put your wig, and then just use your blow dryer and the back of your brush like that, pressing it down guys. You only apply this glamour spray like once like this guys. So pre-cut your lace first before you lay your wig, and it will be easier for you to lay it. So do the same thing on the side. Make sure you also spray it on the side of the ear so that your wig will be laid at the front on the hairline and also on the sides of the ear guys. So repeat the same thing. Apply 2 layers of your glamour spray. Use your blow dryer to make sure that it is tacky. Then press down your wig. Then use your blow dryer, pressing it down and blowing it so that it dries completely. Yeah guys, so simple, beginner friendly and easy guys. And guys, if you haven't watched the tutorial on how I made the wig cap, how I ventilated it, how I braided it guys, do go and check them out guys. Do go and check them out so that you can also make your wig like this one. I'm going to link them in the description. So after you are done pressing down your wig on your let's go guys, this glue you can just remove it. This lace spray you can remove it with water only guys. Just spray water and it will come off like that guys. Yeah, so you won't lose your hairline, but this you can easily remove it with water. So I'm going to be using my elastic band to melt down the lace. So I left it like that for about 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes, and then I removed it guys, and this is how it's looking. This is how the lace is looking guys. So for the back area, I'm not going to be applying any lace spray. I'm going to leave it like that, and then I'm going to be using the product that is remaining on the brush, like the foundation. I'm going to just tap on the lace so that it matches my skin, and then I'm just going to wipe off the foundation that went on my cornrows, and that's it guys. And then for the baby hairs, my curly baby hairs, I'm going to be applying my olive oil mousse to make sure that they are curly, they are activated guys. I have a tutorial on how I made this curly baby hairs guys. I'm going to link that tutorial also in the description, just in case you love baby hairs. And guys, if you want them to like lay them down, brush them down, you can also style them anyhow you want, but I wanted them to remain like curly like this guys, so that it can give me that natural finish. So if you want to lay them down, you can go ahead and use your edge gel and lay them down. So I just applied foundation right there at the lines like I did at the back area, so that my lines will be sharp. And that is it for the installation guys. Do let me know what you think about the installation process. Do let me know what you think about this wig. If you have watched the tutorial of this wig guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. Yeah guys, so if you haven't watched the tutorial on how I made the wig, do go and check them out guys. And if you are new, please subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for watching my videos guys. Yeah guys, that's all for the tutorial. And guys, don't forget to check out the wig process, the wig cap making, the ventilation, the braiding process. Do go and check them out. I'm going to link those tutorials in the description. So thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye. I love you.